So weird. It's raining. And the sun's out though. Cody's car. Everyone else's car. Hurry, boy, run! It's raining! There goes Dante in the rain. It's so weird. It's raining. Well, someone got wet. Are you wet? Look at the rain. It's raining. Hey, is that a no? I thought that was a rainbow. It's raining while the sun's out still. So,
are you gonna put that on Facebook?
Yes, I am. I'm documenting how weird it is that it's raining with the sun out. Look at that. One big cluster of rain. Hopefully there's enough water to actually...
Hey! Don't let him as friends!
Hopefully there's enough rain in here to water the grass, because look how the grass looks. It looks brown.
I don't care.
Maybe this rain hopefully is going to help. Ooh, there goes another rumble. I'm waiting for it to start hailing.
You shouldn't get points!
I'm gonna wait till it starts hailing.
Do the friends on your...
Look! There's a baby!
Do the friends on Facebook give you points or...
Yes, maybe. You don't know.
Yeah. When did you do that?
Like, I know. Like the first week in June? I know, I like it too. Plus it's like better with the weather being all warm and stuff like that. If it was like long and stuff like that, I'd be dying. Oh my god, it's raining again. Holy crap! How much car went on from that rumble?